Yes, so waiting they happen. My name is Remel Diana, and I dare with MC Dab.
MC Dab, the dog one of Nigeria. I know say I talk a lot of things. They make up, bring and come as the matter they be. Well, you know say that only for this country now. See policeman where they say bitter leaf, the same baba now they say cola nut because he need more money. Where make an be like that they print all this kind of thing. My sweet lady.
Okay, now for Oni of Ife or by Adeyeye Anita Agusi.
Adeyeye. Sorry, we can verse.
Palace, that the begin they queen they don dey riot. Say wetin? Why be say na only Naomi na the Oni go dey carry dey go social guiding and all that, and why be say na only the Naomi son na be say na dem known as the aspirant of to the wetin call am to the throne. So they say they not gree o, say na all of them, all their children, they want make everybody know their children. So how you see this matter? Oni na in the balance the matter. Let's say Oni not the balance the matter, but make you chook man put.
As the matter don't come, my bros say Oba Onion Vive Adeyeye. They call him Ikeji Orisha, something like that. You know, as a matter be, well, you know, say for Yoruba land, make a Peter. I stand to be corrected as English people we go talk up. Be like say this matter don't talk to us of commotion for Oba of Adeyeye. You know, because this now, this if you look at Naomi too fine. And you know, say one thing for woman body where go make you no get sense. Now that thing we there for the middle of the two legs, and I think say and Naomi they give her very well.
Because you say that one not they give her.
You know, say man, the truth is say Muko just leave joke for this matter.
Okay.
I think say there are a lot of things we involved for this matter where we dey talk about.
Okay.
Because for Yoruba land, a lot of people they do juju for Yoruba. If you say now the matter of juju and Baba for Saleh, where you get now you go matter say now you go collect the money or you don't collect the money. But for other tribes, you go to say as they born, especially if you be male children, they born, they don't give you the will and property where you go actually go.
Yes.
Like Igbo land. May I use Igbo land as example?
Okay.
You understand? If you born man, even if you woman self, now only women they don't give them.
Say this is your own jurisdiction, though. See what you go take care of, see your own place.
But this one for Yoruba land, sometimes especially the non-educated ones. Now juju na they use settle the issue, and I think say na waiting there. So the other
and I won't get juju pass. Now be the wetin I call am. Now be the kikon.
Now about for you. Now be the kikon. Now you go. Now you go. But now the other women now don't they say be like say this one the under pressure and under pressure.
Let's say they don't they say this one don't pass say this woman I love this woman or this one. Let's say maybe juju don't they underneath it.
But the truth is
maybe make they cry out.
But the truth is say look at the matter. If you look at these women say especially when the people they talk to they do marriage counseling, you find that these other women when they talk to they know they actually dress properly or they not get that public figure where Naomi get that drew matter.
So I don't see all that. I see their picture for social media. I know the rest for they're looking good. You get me? If the person only want carry them, only for PC carry them go any gathering. Now how you want to dress your what you call it? They say if you what you call it when you dress to that occasion. Everybody will stand out.
If you look Naomi I know they campaign for Naomi, but if you look at Naomi you go to say she fit almost all the occasions where about new one go. Now the truth be that. And out of juju matter, Naomi set is she sweet. And she don't get respect
we never they know. You get some people will be said for social disease they go show say yes so they're humble they respect until you know them into to come be say come near them as in near them whether you tell know whether who humble or who not humble. You get me? Me I know they advocate for the other what they call them other queens so but I know but only supposed to the balance her. Even when marry 5 wives supposed to know say come and jealousy the day between women, you get me? When we say they always carry one out, they always carry one out, come they fix the rest ones now, they just come there, come they service your bed for you. So only supposed to balance the whole issue. How you see the matter?
Well, you don't talk and finish, but we'll still say the guy will actually do better for this matter. You can continue.
Okay, see, abeg Oni, we dey beg you for me, make you balance all the whole issue between your wives dem, because all these women say they don dey come social media now dey rant say they need to be say you need to dey carry them out for occasion. At least make you still drop Naomi one day like this, carry one out, so make we see how that one go take portray. You get me? So because now they got eyes are on Naomi now, because now the officer Naomi don use juju take catch you, take trap you, which of course maybe na lie, but Naomi no go use juju take catch you. But now be say as the wife they don dey, and moreover I wan see as why person don let Naomi son you dey acknowledge as what you call am, the heir apparent. Na be question as the person don say na two things na dey come dey make dem dey go sky. When you say they say kolo, you get me? You dey carry Naomi dey go all social gathering. You dey see that na only Naomi son now you showcase as the say yes na be your pikin for social media and all that. So wetin be that one? So the rest one children are waiting.
May I tell you something? All these things wey dey women dey talk, I no talk say na lie or na true, but I think say you know say sometimes jealousy make you dey do something wey no make sense. You know say if I know say the Oba like Naomi well, and if you like the mama, surely you go like the pikin, especially if say all these other women na female they give birth to, and this one can't give birth to boy. You understand the matter bit? But the women don't they talk the matter, they don't they talk and they don't talk am. But at the end of the day, if you chook matter inside this issue, she na true. Now be the Naomi son be the next apparel to the throne. Now we go know after we come back for the next episode.
Okay, I don't hear from anything down. So when they bring the matter they go ahead. So now so we they bring the matter, correct gist. So we they say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Bye.
We cannot forget our me too.